Let's quickly get this show on the road. Let's wrap this up. Then I can allow you guys to take off and do your thing. Do your thing. Okay, right, cool. So I just shared my screen with you guys. Should be able to see it now. Okay, so with 7.7, under the required, they're asking us there, calculate the cost of jobs completed, calculate the closing work in progress, and then calculate net income for the year. Okay, so let's see what other information they give us in the question. It says, Powwow Manufacturing uses a job costing system to cost out its production during 2009. The specific costs were incurred on the following. All right. So there you can see direct materials. Okay, these were incurred. All right, so these are actual costs. And then we have direct labor. Okay, cool, no problems. And then we have factory overheads are applied at R2 per direct labor hour. Per direct labor hour. Okay, so this is the application rate. They've given it to us. Then they say jobs in progress at beginning of the year. Can you see that? So this is the work in progress. Because can you see jobs in progress? Okay. So you can just quickly put WIP somewhere there. All right. And then you can see in relation to materials, in relation to labor, and in relation to overheads. Okay. And then obviously you've got your totals over there. Okay. No problems. Then we have jobs completed during the year. Okay, we have L1670, J1901, and then H702, and G901. Okay, and then sales and administration expenses. Sorry, expenses. Yeah, 25,510. Okay. And then they've given us the selling price, all right, for each of those jobs that actually sold. So if you now quickly take a look at it, you just want to quickly see, did we complete all of the jobs for all of these projects? Did we complete them? All right. If you quickly see there, just go to direct labor. There they have all the jobs listed. We did complete, so you can quickly tick off. L1670, we completed that one. J1901, so I'm ticking that off as well. Then H702, ticking that off, we completed it. And G901, we ticking that off, we completed it. So the only job that wasn't completed, right, was your B168. Okay, no problems. So let's start now. Calculate the cost of jobs calculated. All right, no problem. So here we start material cost at beginning. All right, how do we get that? That's where we use the work in progress or job in progress table at the beginning of the year. So we look for materials. Okay, first column there at that table at the bottom of the first page in the question. So here, what do we put? For L1670, we have 1,500. Okay. Then for J1901, we have 5,000. Okay, and then we don't have anything else for these other jobs. So that we keep blank. Okay, and if we add, the total here is obviously going to be 6,500. No problem. Material cost this year. Okay, then we look at that first table there for direct materials. Here you're going to have for L1670, there's nothing. So just going to leave that blank. Here there's also nothing for J1901. For H, we have 16,872. Okay, and here we have 10,980. Okay, why don't I have BG here? Okay, because that wasn't a completed job. Here, what do they want us to calculate? Calculate the cost of jobs completed, okay? So that's why we don't have BG. Okay, so I'm going to leave out totals for now, just in the interest of time. So total cost here, we're going to have 1,500. Okay, here 5,000. Here, obviously 16,872. And here we're going to have 10,980. Okay, add those up. Okay, we'll get to that just now. Okay, actually, I might as well just do it now. Okay, right. Okay, so I'm just going to get the totals for you guys. So here you should have 27,852. Okay, and here you're going to have 34,352. Okay, then same principle over here. Now we're looking at the, remember, beginning cost. So we're looking at that work job in progress. Okay, we have under labor, we have again L1670, that's 6,000. Okay, and then here we have 8,000. Okay, right, and then we have nothing for the other two. Then we go to direct labor, there we have a cost for all of them. Okay, so for L1670 we have 800 over here. Here we have 9,600. Here we have 1,575. Here we have 1,200. Okay. All right. And again, B16.8 we don't have because obviously we remember this is completed jobs that we're working. All right. So total costs, I'll give that to you again. Here you're going to have 6,800. All right. Here you're going to have 17,600. Here you're going to have 1,575. Here you're going to have 1,200. And here you're going to have, what is this? 175. Okay. All right. Here you're supposed to have 13,175. Okay. And here you should have 14,000. Okay. Beginning overhead. Can you see there? Again, we're going to the job in process. So here you're going to have 8,000. Am I right? Yes, 8,000. Here you're going to have 4,000. Okay, again, we have nothing in the other two. All right. Okay, cool. No problems. So here factory overheads are applied at 2 Rand per direct labor hour. Okay. So to calculate the, I'm going to calculate in the blocks for you guys. So let's quickly do that, just so you can see where these things are coming from. So here, what we say is for L1670, we are saying 200 times 2 Rand. Okay. I'm looking at the direct labor hour table, and I'm looking at how many hours for L1670, and then I'm getting 400. Okay, so let me just stretch out these a little bit. Okay. 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 Okay, awesome. So here we have 3,000. So 3,000 times 2. Okay, here we're going to have 6,000. Okay. Here we're going to have, what is this, 500 times 2. going to have 1,000. Okay. Okay, let's just leave that there. Okay, and then here we're going to have 600 times 2. Okay. Here we're going to have 1,200. Okay, then the total you should get over here should be 8,600. Here you should have 12,000. Okay. Right, then you obviously add those again to get your total. So here you should have a total of 20,600. Here you should have 1,200. Let's just operate from this side. 8,400. Here you should have 10,000. And here you should have 1,000. Okay. Then total costs, you're adding up all your costs in each column. All right. So this is the total cost for the job for L1670, 1,670. All right, no, 16,700. My bad. 32,600. Okay. 19,447. 13,380. And then you're adding up all of those, you have 82,000 here. 127. Okay, then selling price. Okay, they've given us this information. So can you see? That's why I say this job, this was fairly easy because it was just about inserting the information in the right places. Okay, so this was 18,000. That's how much we sold it for. This was 45,000. Okay, that's how much we sold that job for. Okay, this was 28,000. This was 25,000. Okay, and then the total of that should be 116,000. Okay, that was the total. Now the profit, obviously profit we know is your total income minus your sales, so your total selling price minus your sales. So again, this is literally a plus minus job. This is going to be 1,300. This is going to be 12,400. Nice profit there. 8,553. 11,620. And then your total profit is going to be 33,873. Okay, but then if we look there, the only piece of information that we haven't used is the sales and administration expenses. Okay, but before we go there, okay, let me actually just plug it in then. Okay, so that was 25,000. 25,510. Okay, cool. So part one, calculate the cost of the jobs completed. So we've done that. We did that over here. Total cost. This was the total cost of the jobs completed. I'm just going to highlight there in yellow. Okay, right. Then the next bit, calculate the closing work in progress. Closing work in progress, that is going to be, okay, you're going to be looking at the one job that we didn't complete. So material cost this year, we're looking at the B168 because that's the only job we didn't complete. All right, so the material cost, we look for direct materials. There we see it is 5,670. Okay, total labor cost, all right, for your labor cost this year, we're looking at that direct labor again for B18. So that's 180. Okay, then the overhead. Remember, overhead we have to calculate by using the rate. So we know that our rate, they told us it's 2 Rand. Okay, and it's based on direct labor hours. So how many direct labor hours did we have? We had 90 hours. Okay, so 2 times 90, again, we're going to get 180. Okay, We add this all up, we should arrive at 6,030, 6030. Okay, so that's part 2. All right, and the last bit they're asking us, they calculate the net income for the year. So we calculated our profit, but this is not our bottom line profit. Okay, this is our profit after considering the cost of the job. We still have sales and administrative expenses, okay, which is at 25,510. So once you minus that, plus minus job, again, you guys shouldn't have problems with this. So it's really just about interpreting your information, knowing where it should go, and making sure that you put it in the right place. So that's 8,363. Okay, this is your final. This is part 3. That's what they wanted you to do. So I'm just going to highlight that in green because obviously we made a positive. We're in the green basically. And guys, that is your financial management 2A done and dusted. We have finished this off. Guys, I'd advise that you do exercise 7.8 in your own time. It's a good exercise, but it's literally just your comprehensive income statement. I'll show you the answers here quickly. You're not going to do it, but I'll just show you the answers. It's the comprehensive income statement for each. Is it a job or is it a product? Can't remember. I had a look at it. Yeah, let's see. Let's flip over there. Material cost allocated. It's jobs. It's jobs. Hey, did I do this thing? Did I copy it? Did I make the answers? Okay, doesn't seem like I did. Doesn't seem like I did. Okay, but yeah, go through that. It's a very simple. So it's just showing you the different ways they can ask you the same things. Okay, that's literally the only exercise in Unit 7 that we didn't do. Okay, so I took time this year to go through all these job costing because I think it intimidates my students. But once you practice it, once you get the hang of what they're asking for, you realize that it really isn't that bad at all. Okay, so all you need to remember is how do I structure the cost of a job or a product, and all you need to say there is okay. Just want to quickly go back to our past exercise 7.7. You have your direct materials, okay, the actual direct materials. You have your actual direct labor, okay, and then obviously you have your overhead. Okay, so remember you might have work in progress for that specific job or product that you need to log in or plug in. Okay, in most cases they don't actually do that, but be aware of it. And then obviously, total overheads, that you typically get a application rate to calculate the overheads. But now remember, they might actually also give you the actual overheads for the job. Then you must, they could ask you to calculate whether it was over or under applied in that type of a situation. So just practice these questions and you'll be perfectly fine for the exam. Okay, guys, so practice questions out of the textbook, practice questions in the back of the book, and then practice some past papers to prepare you for the exam. Okay, guys, you guys are more than capable. You did well in test 2. All right, some of you were emailing me consistently and we're going back and forth. You're more than welcome to do so again. Just please make sure when you do email me, you've actually attempted the question, okay? Because I'm not here to spoon feed, I'm here to assist your learning, okay? This is tertiary, all right? Which I'm sure now that you're second year, you're used to it. So let's push. I'm here for you guys. Let's keep in communication if you need me. You know my email address. Otherwise, I don't know if there are any questions or thoughts from you guys. I see there's something there in the chat. Only noticing it now. Thank you so much, sir. Only a pleasure. I'm going to post this video on YouTube. Every lecture is there for you guys. Please take advantage of the resources. You could start again, and push. You'll be just fine. Okay. Believe in you guys. Keep up the hard work. Let's get this done. All right. Otherwise, do enjoy the day. And yeah, let's crush those exams. Cheers, everyone.